Kids Pandemic Learning. Learn opposites with sentences. Once upon a time, there was a big ball. He had to live with another one which was quite small. Big, small. The big cat slept under the stars at the night. The small cat slept all day when there is a lot of light. Day, night. The happy teddy took the long route and walked, while the sad teddy took the short route and walked. Happy, sad. Long, short. The small ball was soft, while the big ball was rough. Small, big. Rough, soft. The opposites are big and small, day and night, happy and sad, long and short, rough and soft. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to Kids Pandemic Learning videos.